Hey, if you want to set custom wallpaper, for example on the lock screen or home screen on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, first of all you have to open the settings. From here you have to go into the display, for the wallpaper and style, and here click to change wallpapers. And now, as you can see, I have the gallery section, so when I click on it, I am able to pick the pictures or albums. Let's say that I want to set my photo that I take with this tablet. So I have to click on it right here, select the photo that I want to set up as the wallpaper, and then click done. Now I can choose if I want to get it on the home screen or lock screen. Let's say that I want to get this wallpaper on my lock screen. So I'm gonna unselect home screen, then click next. That's the preview of the wallpaper, and I can click on the right upper corner to confirm. And now when I lock the screen, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.